Hello and welcome to another episode of Life Skills with Mr. Nagle. Today is part 4 of how to do your laundry. So let's review what we've done so far. So in part 1, we've gathered our clothes and we put them in a hamper or in a laundry basket and brought them down to our laundry room, where we are today. Part 2, we organized our clothes into piles. We organized them by color, so darks, whites, and colors. And then we also separated by what they are made out of. So if they're made out of cotton or out of wool, we also separated them into different piles. And then step 3 was washing our clothes. So we went through all the steps and processes that it takes to wash your clothes. And now today, part 4, we're going to do drying your clothes. So we will look at the steps of how to dry your clothes and use the dryer. So again, today we are in the laundry room, and here's the washer, and here's also the dryer. So we talked about how to use the washer in episode 3, and so now we're going to go on and talk about how to use the dryer. So the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to open the washer, and we're going to take the clothes that are inside of it out. First thing we're going to do is open the dryer, and we're going to put our clothes from the washer into the dryer. And so this will be done as so. So we'll reach in, we'll grab our damp clothes, and then throw them inside of our dryer. And we will repeat this process until all of the clothes are out of the washer and into the dryer. Okay, so now we've gotten all of our clothes from the washer into the dryer. So our next step is to take a dryer sheet. We're going to grab a dryer sheet and place it in to our dryer, just like so. So now we're ready to go. So we're going to close our dryer, and we're going to go up top, and we're going to find out where your lint is. So we're going to see what is in the lint trap, and we see that we have some lint, so we need to clean that out. Okay, so what you're going to do is take your hand and just grab the lint off, and then you're going to find a wastebasket or trash can and throw it on in. And then what you want to do is just replace the lint catcher or lint tray back into where it's supposed to go. And now we're going to look at our gauge or our dial. So we see that we have permanent press, time dry, auto dry, net and delicate, and air dry. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it from its position, and we're going to go to time dry, and we're going to say 70 minutes. And now your next step is going to be you're going to locate and find your start button. And here's my start button. And you can see that it says start right above it. So the next thing you need to do is just push the start button. And once I do that, the dryer will start and you are drying your clothes. So in part 5, we will talk about taking your clothes and folding them. In part 6, we'll go on to talk about how to put them into drawers and categorize your clothes just one more time. So here we go.